nice and relaxed for me. Very good.
Money.
Same thing, press it elbow back. There we go. Nice and easy. That one was super easy. Perfect. Got it. Very nice.
Yeah, from the first treatment or time I came in here, reduced, tightness in this right side. Definitely been able to sit at my chair a lot longer. Even my right leg, which kind of flares out, it's been coming back in and looking normal, similar to the left side. And
Just noticing some posture changes,
Yeah.
some changes with your gait, your walking.
Yep,
Seems to be
100%.
improving, so.
Yep.
Very nice.
Very good stuff.
All right.
Thanks, man.